I live in Hague.
Yeah, that's another exception.
You're kidding.
Welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn when to use the and when not to use it. If you think this is too easy, then wait until the end. There will be a challenge and we will quiz you. Let's see how well you will do. Before we start, tell me if this has happened to you before. The mark is coming tomorrow. We say Mark, not the mark. Anyway, where do you know him from? I know him from a gym, and gym, the gym. I don't know him. If the answer to that is yes, then this video will help you never make these mistakes again. Before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to get more of these videos. Okay, now what are the simple basic rules? First, we use the when we both know what we are talking about. For example, I have a dog. You didn't know that. Now you know that. The second time I talk about her, I'll say, the dog is very cute. Yeah? Second rule, we use the when there is one of these things. For example, how many doors are there in a room? Well, usually there's only one. Unless you live in a huge palace, yeah? So I am going to say, open the door. Because you know which door I'm talking about it. There's only one door, yeah? We also use the when we want to be specific. Now here, I have some pens. And you want a pen. So I'll say, which pen do you want? I want the white one. Not the black, not the blue. The white pen. Yeah? So we're being specific. Another situation in which we use the is with the name of certain countries. For example, if the name of the country includes republic, kingdom, or states, we say the. For example, the United Kingdom, or when it's plural, like the Netherlands. We do not use the with the rest of the countries. For example, we say Germany, France. We also do not use it with continents, cities, and states. So we say Europe, not the Europe, Texas, Tokyo. Sometimes it can be still tricky to use it. Let's watch this video together and see what happened to one of my students.
How about the?
Oh, that's super simple. We use the when the object is the only one of its kind. For example, the internet, the earth, the moon.
Okay, so we say the Mars, the Neptune, right?
Yeah, no. Those are exceptions.
Seriously? Okay, how about countries and cities?
Easy peasy. Countries and cities don't take the, okay? So for example, we say France, Germany, Paris, except if the name of the country is a plural. So for example, we say the United States.
Oh, I got this time. I'm from the Netherlands.
Mm-hmm.
I live in Hague.
Yeah, that's another exception.
You're kidding.
I know, it can be frustrating sometimes, but don't worry. You got this because you've watched this video. We also use the to talk about a group of people. For example, if I say the poor, I'm talking about people who are poor in general. Or if I say the homeless, all the homeless people. We can also use it with nationality. For example, the French. So I'm talking about French people in general. Now, let's recap the rules. We use the with countries if they have republic, kingdom, or state in their names, or are plural, like the Emirates or the Czech Republic. But we do not use the with all of the other country names, Turkey, Japan, Tunisia. We do not use it with continents, Africa, cities, Cairo, or states, Texas. We also use the when there is one of a kind. For example, we say the sun, the moon, the internet. However, we say Mars, Pluto without the. We also say I listen to the radio, but I watch TV. We also say I go to the doctor, the movies, the bank, but I go home, to work, to bed. No the. Also, do not use the with meals. For example, I have breakfast. I have lunch. I think we are good on rules here. We know enough rules to be able to answer the following questions. So, let's start. First one. I have question. The, a, or nothing. A question. Good. Mark is in bathroom. The bathroom. Very good. Because usually we have only one of it and you know which bathroom I'm talking about. Next. Tom and Mary have boy and girl. Boy is 12. Girl is 11. Yes, a boy and a girl, because now I don't know about them. The second time I know, so I say the boy is 12, the girl is 11. Good job. Next. I'm from Republic of Ireland. I live in Madrid. Good. The Republic of Ireland, because it has the word republic in it. Madrid is a city, so nothing. I live in Madrid. Good. One last. Internet is very important nowadays. Good. The internet. I just wanted to tell you, you have done a great job. Good job. Now, if you want to practice more, you can find us on Instagram or TikTok. Thank you for watching this video. Miss English teacher here with the hope of seeing you again. Have a good day.